Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the winner of the 2014 Bacardi Legacy Global Cocktail Competition, the Maid in Cuba. There are a lot of steps to this cocktail, so we'll do our best. First thing I'm going to do is get a cucumber. And the recipe calls for 3 slices. My cucumber's a little small, not that I'm feeling insecure in any way. So instead of 3, I'm going to add in 6. That's 5. And I'm going to put them right in my shaker tin. 1 more. Set that aside. Then 6 mint leaves. Pre-plucked, of course. By me. Ooh, 1 more. There it is. Set you aside too. And I'm going to give this a slight muddle, just to start breaking things down. Again, we're not trying to pulverize the mint, we just want to release the oils. Next, lime juice. 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters of lime juice. Fresh squeezed, of course. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters, and the recipe does not specify what type of simple syrup. I would assume white, and I would assume 1:1. I've got a 1:1 raw cane, and that'll be good for me. 3/4 ounce. Oop, I'm almost out. Do I have enough? I've got enough. Next, I'm going to add the rum. Bacardi, 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Now, before I shake this, I'm going to get my glass, and I'll explain in just a moment. As you can see, I frosted my glass. I put it in the refrigerator because we need to put an absinthe wash on this glass. I'm using Tattersall absinthe. Tattersall is a local Minnesota distillery. I'm just going to put, estimate about 1/4 ounce, just a little bit in the bottom. And there's different ways to do this. If you're a pro, you can just swirl it. I'm not a pro, so I'm going to do a slow, careful roll to line the inside of the glass, and then I'm going to discard the rest. Now, add my ice. And shake. Now, this one I strongly suggest you double strain, which is what I'm going to do into the glass. So put that there. Well, let's put it there. Okay, finally, well, not finally, second to finally, and top it with a little club soda. See if it's going to pop on me. Oh, no. Oh, maybe. Okay, no. Just going to pour that right in there. Bring it right up to the lip. If I had a bigger coupe, it wouldn't be such a worry. Not that I'm feeling insecure about anything. And finally, the garnish. The garnish is a cucumber slice that floats right on top. And that's it. The Maid in Cuba by Tom Walker. Drink with good spirits.